excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world. Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game. Let's dive into it.
Kebab, a type of Middle Eastern kebab, is made with ground beef formed into cylinders and fried over skewers. Give your beef at least 20% fat. Combine the ingredients well to create the myosin in the flesh. Make use of a food processor or hand mixer to keep the fat from melting. Use caution when handling the meat, and moisten your hands with cold water. The kebabs should be refrigerated for at least 2 hours before being cooked. Knead the meat and remaining ingredients to produce a sticky paste that sticks to the skewer for up to 10 minutes. Kebabs are usually cooked over an open flame without a grill grate to prevent the meat from sticking.
In the heart of the countryside, where the sun shines bright, there's an orange orchard, a pure golden sight. Rows of trees basking in the morning glow, filled with citrus treasures, ready to bestow.
One of the best meats for making kebab is sirloin. Sirloin is quite tender from top to tip, lean, and moderately priced. It does not require an extended marinade. It is also appropriate for a diet that is balanced. For beef kebabs, flat iron steak and tenderloin make great substitutes. Serve with lemon wedges, cooked basmati rice, tzatziki sauce, toum, and onion relish.
We're caught up in the rush, life on the go, screens flashing fast, we're missing the flow. City buzzing, drowning in the sound, lost